to my channel, Christine's Pastries and Cakes. Hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. Today we're going to make an apple and orange crumble. I'll start off with the ingredients. Right, we're going to start off with 450 grams of orange, which we peeled, removed the pith, and then just cut up into little segments. A kilo of cooking apples, which I have peeled, cored and chopped into chunks. I have 6 tablespoons of brown sugar and a pinch of cinnamon. For the crumble, we have 340 grams of cake flour. We have a pinch of salt, 220 grams of cold butter cubed, and 110 grams of brown sugar. Let's get started. Start off by mixing the apple and the orange together with the juice. Add your sugar. And cinnamon. Mix. To make the crumble, we take the salt, mix it into the flour which has been sifted, add your cubed butter, and then begin to rub it in with the tips of your fingers until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. The mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs. This is the consistency that we're looking for. We now add the brown sugar and just stir that through. Now pour the topping over the filling and just spread it out evenly. Now I'm going to place this in a preheated oven. Right, the apple crumble has been baking for about an hour and a half. I baked it a little bit longer. I gave it an extra 5 minutes on the grill to give it a bit of color, and here we have it.